Bonjour. France is the country of artists, dreamers, and thinkers. They have led society forward on many fronts like human rights, secularism, diversity, art and culture, fashion, that too for the past centuries. Therefore, if you want to join a country with such a strong personality like France, you need to understand them from their core. And luckily for you, today we're talking about the core values and beliefs of the French people. This will help you better understand your French peers and integrate well into the French lifestyle. Here we go. Number 1, freedom. Freedom is a fundamental value in France dating back to the French Revolution in 1789. It encompasses freedom of speech, freedom of the press, and individual liberties. The French value their rights and freedoms as citizens. Number 2, equality. Equality is another key principle in the French Republic. It calls for equal opportunities and treatments for all citizens regardless of their background, gender, or socio-economic status. The idea of a fair and just society is deeply ingrained in French culture. Then, brotherhood or solidarity. Fraternity emphasizes the sense of community and solidarity among the people of France. It encourages citizens to support and help one another in times of need and to work together for the common good. Secularism. It is the principle of secularism that separates religion from the state. It ensures that public institutions are independent of religious influence and that individuals are free to practice their faith or not without discrimination. Then, human rights. France has a strong commitment to human rights both domestically and internationally. This includes the protection of civil liberties, the abolition of the death penalty, and commitment to the principles of Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Number 6, democracy. France is a democratic republic with a strong commitment to representative government and the rule of law. Citizens participate in regular elections to choose their leaders and representatives at various levels of government. Number 7, national identity. France places a significant emphasis on its national identity and cultural heritage. The French language, art, literature, and cuisine are highly valued, and there is a sense of pride in preserving and promoting French culture. Number 8, social welfare. France has a well-developed social welfare system that includes universal healthcare, public education, and various social safety nets. The state plays a substantial role in ensuring the welfare of its citizens. And number 9, secular education. France has a long tradition of providing free and secular education. This is seen as a means to promote equality and ensure that education is accessible to all. And lastly, environmental responsibility. In recent years, there has been a growing emphasis on environmental consciousness and sustainable practices in France. Many French citizens and the government are committed to addressing environmental issues and climate change. So, these are the top 10 qualities which make up the French population. Remember, the application of these values depends on the individual. Not everyone is following every belief to the max. Therefore, you do not need to worry about all of these. Just try to imbibe a little bit of these values in your perspective. If you liked our video, do drop a thumbs up and subscribe for more. And let us know in the comments what you would like to see next. Thank you for watching.